Send and receive signal with my satellites. Capitalize with no prying eyes. Next level underground. You won't hear no sound. Drone dropping products straight to the ground. Paint them blue, not seen by you. I always come with the truth. Stop slacking, don't be whacking, lacking. Start stacking. You better confess if you're with me or the rest. Recognize or feel it in your chest. Objectively the best, known as SteveX. You know what's next, avoid the wrecks. They'll take you down like Alex. Oh, come on, it's too soon. Baldwin. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. So where do I go from here? Subject matter never clear. Pass me some of that Everclear. I'm just having fun, don't care what you hear. I might be cool, but I might be weird. Never thought I'd kill this rap game. Thought I'd hear myself and say this lame. But man, plans change, nothing stays the same. So now I'm coming through. Hope you know what to do. Need to have a clue. At least held together like a track of glue. You know I'm coming with a boom, take the haters to the doom. I never deal with no gloom. You know I'm going straight to the moon. Hope you hear what I say. Yup, you better get out of my way. You know I kill the shit every day. Yeah.